I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason.
And welcome back to Fort Worth Fabric News.
Where today we have another news episode for y'all, talking about some different fabrics that have come in, answering some of y'all's questions.
Yeah, I was going to say, we got a Q&A to go over.
We got a couple from Instagram and a couple from Facebook, I believe.
So if you didn't see this last one, basically on our Instagram story and our Facebook story, we put up a picture asking for questions from y'all. We are now here answering them in this video. So if you want to ask us any questions, just keep up to date with our Facebook or Instagram, and you might see a prompt pop up where you are asking for some questions, so you can feel free to ask us questions then. So our first question is in terms of coming in and shopping, asking if they can come in and look at fabric. I mean, simply, the answer is kind of no. We are online only, actually. But we do offer local pickup. So if you are in the DFW Metroplex and you make an order with us, you can select the local pickup and you can come here to our shop and pick it up. However, we do have, and we've done one before now, and we're trying to do another one. We do a VIP tour of our warehouse.
We have done one a couple months ago. We are setting up our second one now. I believe we do have a date for it, which is...
It's going to be July 27th. Make sure to keep up with us on all of our social media platforms, on our newsletters. If you're not signed up for our newsletter, you should probably sign up for that. We will be releasing 20 tickets. So if you live in the DFW area and you are interested in coming and touring here, we're going to be offering food. You'll get to walk around our warehouse and actually shop. You get to meet with reps and vendors. You get to talk to any of us staff here.
We do have some people here that do know things about quilting, if you also want to talk to them.
That's also where the reps and the vendors will be here.
Yes.
So any quilting or tips and tricks and everything, you can ask them, and they will have confident answers for you. On top of, you might be getting shown some sneak peeks of some new groups coming out.
Ooh.
Plus, of course, they have free goodies. Last time there was like some fat quarters given now, along with I think a ruler and some things.
Yep.
So
I also do know that the last tour, we actually had all the fabric in from our last mystery kit, and the people that came did get a sneak peek of the fabric.
Sneak peek of it. So maybe by July.
So maybe in July,
Since we're
who knows?
Since we're planning on having the new mystery kit up late August, we might already have all the fabric picked out by July.
And maybe you could get a sneak peek before everybody else does. So also, if you do have any questions about the tour, please leave any of those questions down in the comments on any of our socials, not just this YouTube video, just because I know there's probably plenty of questions that y'all have, and we are here to answer those. And there's also a TikTok video currently on our TikTok about the tour.
So if you didn't see it on TikTok, you can check it out on YouTube. But yeah, it's basically just a compilation of photos of just how that tour went. Be sure to keep up with our social media and our newsletter. We will be posting updates about that. Once again, there are only 20 tickets.
Yes.
So you're going to want to be on top of that, or you might not be able to catch this one.
If you can make the purchase of flying out here from wherever you live, do that. Sure, go ahead. Just know that we're not like purchasing your flight tickets or anything.
Yeah.
So hopefully you live kind of close and you can make the drive over here. There was another question about the mystery kit. When the next mystery kit is,
which I can say confidently, we are doing a Halloween themed one. So you can expect the mystery kit to be coming August, September area, somewhere in like late August, early September, maybe mid-September. We do have a Facebook group based on our mystery kit. Even if you didn't buy a mystery kit and you saw the pattern, you're interested in it, you can check out our Facebook group where you can talk with tons of other quilters.
Whether you've been doing it for years or you're just now getting into it, the group is definitely a good place to start if you don't know where to. So please join. Feel free to talk about quilting all the day.
So next up was, can you get the names of everyone? Which I can say, I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason. And then we also have our videographer,
we have Justin,
editor, Justin, who's behind the camera and is editing these videos for y'all.
So everything you see right here is due to him. We're going to be working on doing our best at introducing everyone else through all of our other social media platforms. So if you follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, I feel like over the course of the next couple months, you'll probably be introduced to majority of everyone that works here. Can't also say we do have some people that are more on the camera shy side. So of course we want to respect their feelings in that and not want to show them. Everyone that's okay with the camera being on them, you'll probably be seeing them at some point.
And again, if you do come to the tour, you can meet some of those people more in depthly than just their names.
What else
the
we
next
got to talk
thing
about?
I think is some pre-cuts that we have to show y'all today. Some quilt kits.
First up, we got Swirling Leaves featuring dancing leaves.
Yes, from Wilmington.
This is a kit. It turns into a 60.5 by 60.5 inch square.
Okay,
so if you have like a larger size table and you want a nice fall looking print on top, this quilt would be perfect for you. Comes with, it looks like 1 10-inch stacker along with a little bit of the background fabric. Seems pretty easy to make, I would say, but I'm not one to, to say that.
We're not sure on the price as we're recording this, but okay, well, he's got it.
This kit is $83.96 on our website. This will be linked in the description below, so you can go find this one on there. We also got this one's Confetti featuring Beautiful Night. This one turns into it's a large throw quilt. It's a 64 by 80. This one features some Halloween based fabric, so you can see like this cool little confetti wave with orange and purple and green. This confetti kit is $95.96.
Got 2 different sets of 2.5-inch strips and then also some more fabric.
Next, we want to talk about some groups that we recently got in that were originally pre-orders. If you had pre-orders on these collections in the past few months, it likely has been cut now and will be sending out to you unless you had another pre-order. If you had another pre-order, we likely are still holding on to that until that next pre-order shows up.
Yep.
Which on that note, if you'd rather us to send it right away, call us or email us.
Even text us.
Yeah, even text us. Otherwise, we will be holding it all until everything shows up to save money on shipping for you. One of the groups being
2 from Robert Kaufman, which is Flowerhouse, Jubilee, and Festive Beauty. And then there's 1 from Riley Blank, Glamp Camp.
So yeah, if you have any pre-orders on those, you can expect those to go out relatively soon if they haven't already.
Yeah.
Maybe by the time this video goes up, you might have already gotten a shipping notification. Who knows?
And then our next thing is another collection that we just got done with that'll be coming to y'all. It's from Blank and it's Deja, which we have right here. So we'll lay this out for y'all.
Struggling here.
All good, all good. So this is some of what's in the collection of Deja Vu from Blank. This one's got some bats, a lot of bats. Got some black ones, some gray ones. This one in the middle, you got some spiders with some spider webs, looking kind of creepy, Halloween-ish, you know.
Over here, I see diamonds with owls on them.
Ooh, the owls look really cool, actually.
These are just 3 of just randomly selected from the group. Of course, there's plenty more to choose from. All pre-orders have been cut on this now, so any yardage you see online is able to be purchased right now and will be shipped relatively soon. So yeah, if this group looks good to you at all, go check it out. We'll link the collection in the description as well.
Depending on when this gets released, when this gets put out on YouTube, there will be a new Friday bundle out on the website.
We'll also make a TikTok on it.
We'll also have a TikTok about it, along with plenty of other content that we're making pretty much on the daily for any of the socials. If y'all have any ideas for videos that we could do, that would be great. Send that in on any of the social media platforms.
Or call, text it to us. Or, we'll accept all.
I have to text some of y'all for y'all's pre-orders, so maybe text me and let me know what you want to see. Or you could even text us and call us saying that you like the show. That'd be great.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be awesome.
I would feel very flattered by that.
If someone said that, that'd be pretty crazy. So I think that about does it for this week. I don't think we have anything else. Hopefully y'all are having a great summer and a great week. Again, remember that this Friday we will have posts up about the Q&A. You can send us any type of questions that you have, and if we can, we will answer them on the next news video. Along with, we might just answer it on those individual social media platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you next time.